Hey guys, we're back to show you another amazing hair care company that we have been absolutely loving. It's called Urban Alchemy, and I love what they stand for and their mission and obviously their products, so I had to share it with you guys. Basically, their motto is to go beyond the ordinary. They are the first professional hair care brand that allows you to create a customizable hair care routine that is personalized for you. This gives you the freedom and ability to achieve the best possible salon-style hair results. You know your own hair, and Urban Alchemy gives you the tools to allow you to be your own alchemist and create your own recipe for hair that you can love. In this video, we will show you their detox and therapy line. This is a very important step that should be part of your hair care routine, so we will be showing it first. It consists of their Signature Cleanse, which is a deep cleansing treatment, a Salt Scrub Cleanse, which is a weekly shampoo, a Hydrating and Soothing Conditioner, which is a moisturizing treatment, and their Signature Revitalizing Mask, which is a self-warming thermal hair treatment cap. In the next video, we will show you and teach you how to use their prescription care line, which is customizable. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. As always, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So the first step will be the Signature Cleanse. This is a deep cleansing treatment infused with vitamin C to help remove buildup from the hair in less than 10 minutes. It comes in a powder form and with a very convenient applicator bottle. All you have to do is mix the powder with warm water and shake the mixture until a gel-like texture is formed. It's important to make sure you are not using hot water. The mixture can be applied onto unwashed, dry hair or damp hair. For more profound results, use it on dry hair. For short to medium hair, use 1 packet and mix it with 60 ml of warm water, and for long and thick hair, you would double the dose. Use 2 packets with 120 ml of water. If required, continue with the same proportions for even longer hair. You can double and half the quantities as needed. You don't have to worry about the ratios, as the applicator bottle already has the 2 indicators with 60 and 120 ml. If you're using the professional size, you would use 2 spoons of the powder with 60 ml of warm water for short to medium hair and 4 spoons with 120 ml of water for long and thick hair. The applicator bottle makes it easy for you to section the hair as you go. Make sure you are applying the gel evenly and thoroughly throughout the scalp and hair. You want to really massage the product well into the scalp and press it into the hair. Do not comb the hair. Leave it on your hair for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the amount of buildup before rinsing out. So far, this has been my favorite deep cleansing solution, as it feels very nourishing and hydrating. The gel-like texture penetrates the hair easily and it gives your scalp a very nice sensation. I also like that I can quickly apply it on dry hair before hopping into the shower, as it's not being diluted with water and the cleanse feels deeper. To make things easier for you and to ensure you're covering your entire scalp with a product, you can visually section your scalp into 4 quadrants. Create a part in the center and start by applying the gel from the center line section by section down one side to your ear, and then repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Massage the product in, and then once you're done with the top of your head, you can move on to the back of your head and do the exact same thing. This is a simple guide for you to thoroughly and effectively apply products on your scalp. Then simply apply the remainder of the product on your hair lengths. The Signature Cleanse focuses on creating a clean canvas for your hair. It's going to prepare your hair for the next steps, meaning it will enhance the performance of your hair and color treatments. By removing buildup, it will help restoring and repairing treatments work better. So if you're preparing to do a hair treatment, you can first use the Signature Cleanse to get optimal results with the treatment. You can also do the Signature Cleanse prior to any chemical treatments to prepare your hair for the best possible results and to increase color performance. It's also going to optimize the pH level of your hair and help prevent oxidative stress from free radicals and UV light exposure, which can cause hair discoloration. You can also use the Signature Cleanse to help prevent green tones in bleached hair. If the hair has severe deposits, Urban Alchemy recommends a longer application time. The longer, the better. You can use heat to intensify the effect in a shorter time period. The Signature Cleanse does not contain sulfates, parabens, or any ingredients from animal origin. So if you want to give your hair a reset and have a nice pure feel to your hair, then this product is worth a try. Another added benefit is that the vitamin C will help to strengthen the hair structure and encourage hair growth. It's also an ideal product to use pre-coloring to ensure the pigments are equally absorbed, as the treatment is going to help remove mineral and silicone deposits, which can have a negative effect on chemical processes. Now, to get an exceptional deep cleanse and to achieve the best results, it is recommended to use the Signature Cleanse in conjunction with the Salt Scrub Cleansing Shampoo. This will help to promote long-lasting deep cleansing effects. This is a unique shampoo because it is infused with Urban Alchemy's Signature Blend Sea Spa Complex, which contains a combination of sea salt and seaweed extract. This shampoo will provide a natural and gentle salt-based exfoliation which will help to remove dead skin cells, excess sebum, minerals, and residues caused by the buildup of products. The salt crystals will help you achieve a nice scrubbing effect and will dissolve after a short time. This will help to stimulate blood circulation for a healthy scalp, which can promote hair growth. Excess sebum may result in undernourished roots and a weakened scalp, sometimes causing hair loss. The seaweed extract and wheat protein will help to provide moisture to the scalp and hair. You can use it post-coloring to relieve scalp irritation and itchiness, as well as remove the chemical residues and restore hydration to the hair. The Salt Scrub Cleanse is recommended to use weekly as a detox cleansing treatment. To use the shampoo, work a hazelnut-sized amount into pre-rinsed hair. Apply it directly to the scalp and massage in. Slowly work to lather through the rest of the hair to the tips. Rinse thoroughly, and now you are ready for the next step, the Urban Alchemy Signature Revitalizing Mask. This is a deeply moisturizing and nourishing mask for all hair types and textures. It's so convenient to use as it's a self-warming thermal hair treatment cap which does not require any external heat. It keeps you feeling comfortable and warm throughout the deep conditioning process without it being too hot. You can adjust the cap to fit perfectly around your head for it to stay in place, and you have the ability to do a treatment while continuing to do your daily tasks, which is a great benefit. You can use this trick to get the most out of the mask. When you first open the mask, you will see that the product will be gathered together in one place. To help the product be evenly distributed throughout the cap, you can gently massage the cap from the outside for the mask to spread throughout. That way, when you put on the cap, the mask will be able to cover all of your hair. Of course, with long hair, this is not ideal, but it still does a nice job wherever the product reaches. The Signature Revitalizing Mask contains capsicum, which is derived from peppers and helps to increase blood flow when placed on the scalp, promoting the warmth. It's important to gently massage the scalp and hair to help the ingredients absorb once you put the mask on. Apply the mask on towel-dried hair. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with warm water. The mask contains a botanical blend complex infused with avocado and olive oil. The avocado oil conditions and nourishes damaged hair, and the olive oil helps to restore the balance of the natural hydrolipids in the hair. The amino acid vitamin E and panthenol it contains will help to hydrate dry scalps and will make the hair appear shinier and less frizzy. Overall, the mixture of traditional herbs and antioxidants the mask contains will help to revitalize the scalp and contribute to the appearance of healthier hair. For additional deep conditioning results, you can finish with the Urban Alchemy conditioner and rinse the hair with cold water to seal in the ingredients. The Hydrating and Soothing Conditioner contains seaweed extracts and panthenol to help condition and moisturize the hair, which will improve and restore a natural shine to the hair. Smooth the conditioner from roots to tips on damp hair after applying shampoo. Leave it on your hair for 3 minutes and then proceed to rinse thoroughly. This conditioner complements and is particularly effective when used with Urban Alchemy's weekly salt scrub shampoo treatment, as it provides the perfect finish. It's also formulated with the sea spa complex and contains sea salt like the shampoo. It is compatible with any shampoo, so on the days you don't use the weekly shampoo treatment, you can still use this conditioner. It's going to improve your hair's softness and manageability for you to be able to brush your hair out easier. After all, we all know being able to brush your hair out easily is one of the best feelings. Stay tuned for our next Urban Alchemy prescription care video so you can learn how to create your personalized hair care experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you guys soon.